So it's time for another limited edition release from Red Dragon, celebrating their 50-year anniversary. And today it's the turn of Peter Snakebite Wright. These are the darts that took him to the top of the world. These are the darts that define him. And these are the darts that did this.
There's no title bigger than this. And this time, Peter gets it right.
So if we take a closer look at the presentation box, this is probably one of my personal favourites from the limited edition release series. You've got the snakeskin markings and then these really vibrant colours, sort of a tangy orange, which then blends in to that really eye-catching pink. As with all these limited edition releases, you have your individual numbered set. So this is 3256. And then if we take off the protective foam, you see what you get for your money. You know, that famous barrel that gave Peter his emphatic maiden World Championship win with that sort of razor grip inspired profile. As with the box, you get that tangy orange colour in the short Nitrotech shaft. You get a set of the 50-year anniversary flights, then a set of Snakebite limited edition standard flights. And as with all the limited edition releases, you also get this really nice plaque, Peter Wright limited edition with a Snakebite signature on the back. So also as part of today's launch, guys, you get a limited edition Peter Wright shirt. That vibrant sort of pink colour running down one side of the shirt, and then up the other side, that really nice tangy sort of orange colour. And a nice little touch on the collar there. You get a snake head in each colour as well on either side. Also some nice detail on the back of the shirt, guys. Obviously Snakebite's famous nickname, Peter Wright's name underneath. And then if you go to the base of the shirt, you get Snakebite's signature there. So as part of the limited edition, a really eye-catching shirt to go with a set of darts. So given Peter's popularity, he's obviously a massive fan's favourite. These are going to be really popular. So if I was you, I'd head over to the Red Dragon website today, get your darts, get your limited edition shirt, because they won't hang around for long.